Hi everybody, my name is Carrie. My husband Dale and I are the creators of the From Seed to Spoon mobile app. And today I just wanted to show you just a quick overview about the app and what it can do and all that. So let's check it out. So whenever you first open it up, this is what you're going to see, the growing guides, and you'll see over 100 different fruits, vegetables, herbs, things like that. And on this main screen, you'll see a little bit of information just about them. Like you'll see if it's a cool season, a warm season, a perennial. And then down below, if you have your location enabled, it will show you if you are able to plant indoors or outdoors right now. And it'll tell you exactly when if you click on this without even having to go into any plants. So it can be a little overwhelming when you're first starting out, I know, because it's like, "Oh, that's great, but what am I supposed to start with? What do I do?" And so these plants up here, we have them arranged also by health benefit. So we have all of these, it's 26 different health benefits. So if you're trying to figure out what should I grow, and if you type in the reason why you're wanting to get started up here, so we started growing to help with anxiety and depression. So if we click on mental health up here, down here it'll show all of the plants that are good for mental health. So it kind of gives you a little starting off point as to what foods are good for you to get started growing. So let's say we look through all these, we see basil. Basil's a good one. So we click on that one and it'll pull up all the information that you need to know about basil. And we always joke from seed all the way to spoon. So up here, it has all of the health benefits of basil. And then down here, just a quick little blurb about basil. And then right here, and this is where it will pull in the dates from your location. Down here, if you click down here, it'll show you where your location is. So we are in Oklahoma City. So it'll show you when your last spring frost date is expected and your first fall frost date is expected. So it's saying right here, basil can be sowed directly outside, but we can start indoors also if you want to. So right here is the indoor seed starting date. Down here would be the outdoor spring starting date. And then it also tells you if you can do it over summer. And then the fall, when is the last time that you should be planting it. And then it tells you just a little bit more information about the growing season, if it tolerates frost at all, and then also number per square, which is for square foot gardening. If you click any of these question marks, if you don't know what it means, it'll pull up exactly what it is and a description about it. And then the recommended container size, we use smart pots and we love smart pots. They work great for us. So those are kind of what we build everything around. So if you click in here, it'll talk about the different sizes of smart pots, and you can also shop within our store that we have too. And then once the seeds sprout to when you can harvest will be right there. The sun requirements, water requirements, fertilizing, pretty much everything that you can imagine right here. It's all the information in one place.